What's up, guys? How are you all? I hope you're super excited for the series where we are going to complete NCERT reading of class 11 and 12 biology as well as chemistry. Please do comment down below if you want me to do physics as well. As of now, our first target is class 11 biology. So, invite your friends, like, share, and subscribe. And now, let's not waste any more time and get started with the chapter. Anatomy of flowering plants. You can very easily see the structural similarities and variations in the external morphology of the larger living organism, both plants and animals. Similarly, if we were to study the internal structure, one also finds several similarities as well as differences. This chapter introduces you to the internal structure and functional organization of higher plants. Study of internal structure of plants is called anatomy. Plants have cells as the basic unit. Cells are organized into tissues, and in turn, the tissues are organized into organs. Different organs in a plant show differences in their internal structure. Within angiosperms, the monocots and dicots are also seen to be anatomically different. Internal structures also show adaptations to diverse environments. The tissue system. We were discussing types of tissues based on the types of cells present. Let us now consider how tissues vary depending on their location in the plant body. Their structure and function would also be dependent on location. On the basis of their structure and location, there are three types of tissue systems. These are epidermal tissue system, the ground or fundamental tissue system, and the vascular or conducting tissue system. Epidermal tissue system. The epidermal tissue system forms the outermost covering of the whole plant body and comprises epidermal cells, stomata, and the epidermal appendages, the trichomes and hairs. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the primary plant body. It is made up of elongated, compactly arranged cells which form a continuous layer. Epidermis is usually single-layered. Epidermal cells are parenchymatous with a small amount of cytoplasm lining the cell wall and a large vacuole. The outside of the epidermis is often covered with a waxy thick layer called the cuticle, which prevents the loss of water. Cuticle is absent in roots. Stomata are structures present in the epidermis of leaves. Stomata regulate the process of transpiration and gaseous exchange. Each stomata is composed of two bean-shaped cells known as guard cells, which enclose stomatal pore. In grasses, the guard cells are dumbbell-shaped. The outer walls of guard cells away from the stomatal pore are thin, and the inner walls towards the stomatal pore are highly thickened. The guard cells possess chloroplasts and regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Sometimes, a few epidermal cells in the vicinity of guard cells become specialized in their shape and size and are known as subsidiary cells. The stomatal aperture, guard cells, and the surrounding subsidiary cells are together called stomatal apparatus. Figure 6.1. The cells of epidermis bear a number of hairs. The root hair are a unicellular elongation of the epidermal cells and help absorb water and minerals from the soil. On the stem, the epidermal hair are called trichomes. The trichomes in the shoot system are usually multicellular. They may be branched or unbranched and soft or stiff. They may even be secretory. The trichomes help preventing water loss due to transpiration. The ground tissue system. All tissues except epidermis and vascular bundles constitute the ground tissue. It consists of simple tissues such as parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchymatous cells are usually present in cortex, pericycle, pith, and medullary rays, in the primary stems and roots. In leaves, the ground tissue consists of thin-walled chloroplast containing cells and is called mesophyll. Figure 6.1. Diagrammatic representation. A. Stomata with bean-shaped guard cells. B. Stomata with dumbbell-shaped guard cell. The vascular tissue system. The vascular system consists of complex tissues, the phloem and the xylem. The xylem and phloem together constitute vascular bundles. Figure 6.2. In dicotyledonous stems, cambium is present between phloem and xylem. Such vascular bundles, because of the presence of cambium, possess the ability to form secondary xylem and phloem tissues, and hence are called open vascular bundles. In the monocotyledonous, the vascular bundles have no cambium present in them. Hence, since they do not form secondary tissues, they are referred to as closed. With xylem and phloem, within a vascular bundle are arranged in an alternate manner along the different radii. The arrangement is called radial, such as in roots. In conjoined type of vascular bundles, the xylem and phloem are jointly situated along the same radius of vascular bundles. Such vascular bundles are common in stems and leaves. The conjoined vascular bundles usually have the phloem located only on the outer side of xylem. Figure 6.2. Various types of vascular bundles. A. Radial. B. Conjoined closed. C. Conjoined open. Awesome guys, so this marks the end of the first section of the chapter. I hope you liked the video and do not forget to watch the next part of the chapter. You will find its link in the description box. Please share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet next Sunday to continue the series with a new chapter. Bye.